Okay, good morning everybody. It's Monday 14th of July and fresh after the World Cup last night. Well, not so fresh. Anyway, this walkthrough assumes that you have some basic knowledge of the Three Little Pigs trading strategy. The ebook's available free if you go to the website here under free products, and you get access to these other products too. And the indicator I use is also available on the website over here, and Three Little Pigs MT4 swing trade indicator. So over to the charts. Aussie dollar, mixed bag here. We're up and down. We've got the weekly trend is up and the daily trend is down at the moment, so we need this to move back up here. And then we will be looking for these long signals. Euro GBP, we're down here. We've been in and out a couple of times, so just basically waiting for this to roll over and give us a new signal to the downside. Euro JPY, we're up and down here. I've mentioned this last week, so the long-term trend, we've been up for a long time here, and the daily, basically we're in a bit of a downtrend here on the daily, so just waiting for the daily to either move up, and then we'll be looking for long signals on the 4-hour, or this weekly will roll over and then we'll be looking for the short trades for the first time in a couple of years. Euro USD is next. We're up and up here. It's actually just changed this morning, so the weekly's been up for some time here, and the daily's just moved up again this morning. So if we get the signal here and this closes with both time frames up, we'll take this trade to the long side. And cable, similar to Euro USD, so we're just we had a losing trade here, so we're just and another one here, so two losers in a row, and now we're just waiting for a new confirmation, and we'll take the long trade again here. Looking for cable to push up and make new highs again this year. Somebody sent me an email, do I take the Euro USD and GBP USD long trades, both of them? Yeah, of course. If I get a signal, I'll take both trades. So the theory is that they're both closely correlated, and they are to a certain degree. But if you look at Euro GBP, you can see the evidence here that they're not always so closely correlated. So I will take both trades here, no problems. No problems with that. And if I have two losers, I'm losing 1% on each trade. But if I get a good run like this, I can make 10% on each trade. So although there's correlation there, I will take both of them. USD CAD, I talked about this in the newsletter at the weekend, and basically the trends just changed. So here we see the weekly moving up, the daily moved up as well last week, and on the 4-hour time frame we've got this signal here, so we're currently long USD CAD at the moment. On to USD Swiss. I've been in a short trade here since last Wednesday, so we come up, touch the moving average. I've got a stop loss just behind the moving average, so I'm still in this trade from here and hoping for this to push on down and a nice winning trade to the downside. USD JPY is very similar to Euro JPY, so weekly's been up for a couple of years, and the daily's just wondering what to do here. So again, we're waiting for the daily to move up, and we'll take the long trades. On the other hand, we can come down to the short side, get a touch, and then if the weekly rolls over, we can look for short trades for the first time. And lastly, just onto gold. We just had a break-even trade here after a losing trade. Gold's not really rewarding at the moment, as it just deciding really where it's going to move. Is it going to go back down to the thousands, or is it going to try and push up again? All related to the monetary policies. Just waiting to see. Yellen will give some speeches this week, so that could have an effect on this gold price, maybe pushing it up past these highs. So those of you who trade the gold, just weekly's up here, we can see daily's up, so any new confirmation, and it's a new long trade basically. So I'll just quickly cover NITs. There's not much to go over since the last report. We moved up here, we broke this high, moved the stop loss to here, and after making this high, we're just moving around. If we push up here higher and break these highs, I'll move the stop loss up to here. So we're already basically break-even trade here, and just looking for this high to be taken here, and we'll move the stop loss up to be in the money. Euro USD, we're long here. We had this new high here, moved the stop a little, and we're just waiting now. If this gets broken, then we can move the stop up to here. Euro JPY, the most boring trade of the year, I've been calling it all year. We had a trade at the beginning of the year, was a small loss, and then since February, sorry, the entry was actually in March. Since March, we've been long here, and basically we've just been ranging all the way through here. Lots of money to be made on the 15-minute time frame with moves like this, like this. So if you drop down to the 15-minute time frame, I walked through this as well on the weekend, and just to show that it's not time consuming, but it is profitable. If the 4 hours boring, meaning that it's ranging a lot, by definition it means that the 15-minute time frame will be hopefully performing for you. If you don't have a copy of NITs, you can get it over here on the website, products, no indicators, trading strategy. And I think that's about it for this week. Thanks for your time, thanks for watching, and all the best to all of you.